children, today we are going to start with chapter 15, that is life of early men too, right? So let's talk about the early men's technique of agriculture as a hunter and food gatherer. ये क्या करते थे? Hunt करते थे और food को खाते थे. So to begin with, the early men's food was what we could get in the forest. So he would eat the fruits of trees and throw away seeds, but then he saw that these seeds grew into plants after some. उन्होंने क्या करा, कैसे उनके पास माइंड में ये इन्वेंशन करा इन्होंने एग्रीकल्चर का, क्या हुआ, एक दिन वो ऐसे कुछ सीड खा रहे थे, उन्होंने वो फेंक दी नहीं थे. तो क्या हुआ, उन्होंने कुछ टाइम बाद देखा कि वहां पे प्लांट ग्रो होने लगे. इससे ही क्या हुआ, उन्हें इन्वेंशन करा किसका, एग्रीकल्चर का. So he got an idea of growing food from these seeds, and he could collect seeds and throw them here and there on the ground. After some rains, plants would grow out from the seed, and this was the beginning of fall. उसके बाद क्या होता था, जो plants हैं वो grow out करते थे इन seeds से. इससे ही क्या होता था, beginning होती थी farming की. So by this time, men had also made simple tools of stone. He used his stones tools for hunting and for digging roots. Now he started digging land or sowing seeds. अब इन्होंने क्या करा, land को dig करा और क्या करा, seed को बोया. Later what happened, it was man's first step in the art of filling. Later he started using wooden plow. फिर उन्होंने वो wooden plow, हल वो आती नहीं, कैसे आपने देखा होगा, इस शेप की होती है, ऐसे हैंडल होता है और कुछ इस तरीके की बनी होती है, ऐसे वुडन प्लो सा होता है और उसमें ऐसे बना होता है. इससे क्या करा, इन्होंने टिलिंग स्टार्ट करी and they started using stone tools. What happened, early men started keeping animals and they kept them for their meat, milk and egg. He used them for riding and carrying things. Now he's starting them. अब उन्होंने क्या करा, उनका यूज करा, स्टार्ट करा प्लोइंग करना, and he did not have to move from place. अब उसको एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस मूव नहीं करना था for the food, and he started living at one place and in groups, and he made for himself huts of stones. Stones की huts बनाई और उसने हट को क्या करा, ग्रास से और ब्रांचेस ऑफ ट्री से कवर्ड करा, राइट. एंड इसी तरीके से फैमिली और हैबिटेशन केम टू बी फॉर्म, एंड मोस्टली दीज हैबिटेशन वर नियर द, आपको जो हैबिटेशन है ना बैंक ऑफ रिवर के पास मिलेगी. किसकी मदद से क्या कर सकते थे, एक तो भाई पानी इरिगेशन के लिए बहुत इजिली अवेलेबल था और दूसरा पीने के लिए, राइट. सो इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील एंड इट यूजेस इन वेरियस. सो स्लोली व्हाट हैपेंड, जो हैबिटेशन थी वो इंक्रीज होने लगी, and men in one habitat started visiting those in other. The early men saw that he could use the river for going from one place to another. He saw that the hollow trunk of tree, they float करा इन्होंने water पे very easily, so he could cut down the trees and make their trunk hollow. He used these hollow trunk for traveling by water. And a first boat which was made by men, and sometimes he would tie a number of loaves to make a raft. He used this raft, इसमें raft का use करा for carrying himself and his goods, but carrying loads was yet not easy. The early man had animals to carry his load, but he could not carry very big loads on the back of animals. Slowly, what happened? They thought of a way, and he joined two long sticks together and made a kind of sledge. On this sledge, he carried his loads with the help of animal, and the sledge could move easily on the smooth ground, but it was difficult. भाई जो uneven ground होता था वहां पे बहुत difficult होता था. So what happened? The early men found that round pieces of tree trunk rolled easily on the ground. So he added some sort of rollers to his sled, and it was the first car that was used by men. And it was the first step जिसमें क्या हुआ था, wheel का invention. So invention of wheel was very important even in the life of early men. Slowly men started using the wheel for making earthen pot. So what happened? इससे क्या होता है, एक तो potter wheel का invention होता है. Later on what happened? Early men discovered new things जिससे आप wheels बना सकते हो. And they were in fact the metals, and one of these metal was iron. Now early men started making his tool from iron. The tools say they were better than stone tool. Stone tool से ज्यादा अच्छे थे. और discovery of metal brought a big change. इसने एक बहुत बड़ा change लेके आया life of the man. As the time passed, what happened? Early men habitation become bigger and large number of people started living at one place. Sometimes they quarrel, वो आपस में लड़ाई करते थे with one another, so they made rules of living in peace. And it was the beginning of human civilization. The modern men have taken the great step to find the roads of civilization, or they march continue. See, right? So this was all about the early men chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.